hello, it's me Carmen, and I'm in Onion, Alaska, and we are going on a road trip. Today we're going to be going to Girdwood to do some hiking, and you guys get to come along. We are here, finally. Hi, hello, it's me Carmen. So we're at the Alaska resort with the trails and about to head on up this one trail. And look who I found hanging out by these solid wood benches, and we're starting our trail now. Looks like the tram is closed, but I'm not surprised because yet another person died during the summer. I think it was an adult male who had kids. He was helping somebody else cross and leaned over too far. Yay! We're in the forest. Finally. Oh, look at the mushrooms. They are so cute. And they're everywhere. And they're teeny tiny. I'm guessing that since this is the Winter Creek Trail, this must be Winter Creek behind me. Don't mind me, I'm having a Ricola because having a change of season nose run episode. It is so pretty. You guys can see. I'm gonna spin. Not too fast. Gorgeous! And yes, the moss growing on the trees makes me overcome with delight. There's a ball of moss on a tree back there that I'm gonna show near the end when we go back out that way, because I was told that I'm stopping a lot and making this take a long time. So I see a little burrow for something. Somebody thinks it's a badger burrow, but I'm not even sure if there are badgers up here. Yes, I know. I stopped again, but how could I not? Is that called a... It's not called a gorge, but it's like a valley floor? I don't know. It's pretty cool looking. Wow. That's why that path is clear up there. 10 feet deep. 150 feet beyond where we stand. So that'll be 150 feet that way. Oh look, there's a broken tree. So past, oh I see more broken trees in the distance.
150 feet past.
Past the road. This one looks like it was cut, this tree trunk. I don't think it was in the path of the avalanche. Oh wow, look at those mushrooms. There's a whole village of mushrooms. Cool. Ooh, look at that orange one out in the distance. Maybe I can zoom in. It's kind of unclear. Can we sharpen that a little bit? Okay, apparently we cannot. It looks like a fake mushroom, like from the Smurfs. Up. So the path is getting a little rough out here. We can tell like they're putting in new drainage ditches for the wet season, and they're re-graveling the watch out for the mud paths. But we must almost be there because it was supposed to be a 2.5 mile hike. I don't know how long we've been hiking because I keep stopping, but surely we're almost there. Okay, so we're almost there. What are you oh-wowing about? Yay! Okay. Look what I see. More blueberries to get in my tummy. Oh, you can hear it, but can you see it? Can you see the water rushing from way down there? Not a trail for somebody who has weak ankles or is accident prone. Haha, like me. Several parts of it are quite steep. There are pebbles and tree roots growing out. There are no railings. And then there's the fall of certain, maybe not demise, but definitely maiming and the breaking of bones and such. You know, regular, good old fun outdoor activities. Just another part of the trail. Trees, rocks. I'm a-coming slowly. But that makes it worth it. We decided not to walk down the path of break your leg. We'll take the long way. Shoo! Snowcat Bridge. Please cross at own risk. Yeah, that's a possibly hard no. Right now, a soft no from me. It's lovely. If the water was deeper, I'd walk across it. I mean, if I fall, I don't want to die, break my leg. What?
You can't cross it.
You can't cross it? Oh! There's pieces missing.
That way and take a picture, a better picture.
Oh, yeah. You're not crossing that. Finally. So, yeah, that's like that's a trap, that bridge. The bridge is a trap. Tram. Yeah. What's this weird looking fungus thing that's growing on the wood? See the fungus? Questionable. Ooh.
Yeah.
If you could get, oh my.
That stuff down there, you definitely hit the rock going through there.
But that, if it'd be nice for swimming down there. Look how deep and clear that is. But how do you get down there? Yeah. Go back to show the bridge. There's the bridge. So this destination, or must have known, because I just said, all right, 5 more minutes. If we're not there, we'll turn around to go back, because I know it's only 2.5 miles to get here, but it's taking a long time because of the path is not smooth. It's high, you gotta be careful. Woo! Girdwood hand tram at Four Corners. So between 1998 and 2001, they built this hand tram. See picture there. Safety first. Be aware of the pinch points. Use gloves. Stay still while the cart is moving. People waiting can help pull the cart. Keep the cart door latched. Keep maximum load under 400 pounds. Yeah. Even when you're following all the safety regulations, it can still be dangerous. Oh my word, even these stairs to get down here is dangerous. Alright. So, the hand tram takes you across the little gorge right there. Oh look, there's that lost dog again. Possible reopen. Where's the sign? Woo, there we go. It's not reopening, guys. I don't believe it will. But anyway, I'm in Alaska, and we made it to the hand tram. And now we get to a hike uphill most of the way. 2.5 miles back. Woohoo! Back up through that. Oh my word. 2.5 miles, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys. Dun, 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 dun. We'll help them if they fall. They made it. Why did it come in? I don't want to tape.